These are the elevators at the Walnut on Highland building in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Schindler 400AE elevators installed in March of 2013. What's interesting about these elevators is the one on the right is glass, which is this one, and the one on the left, the other elevator, is not scenic, which is interesting. Roof is locked, so we'll go up to penthouse level 2. But we only get a view on the left side, which is interesting. Schindler 400AE from 2013. So yeah, you can get a really good view of East Liberty. The Chipotle and East Side Shopping Center with the ThyssenKrupp and Schindler elevators. You can see a very good view of East Liberty. There's the Werner building with the quote. Whoa, here at penthouse level 2. Oh yeah, you can get a really good view. There's East Side Bond right there. We'll go down to 1. ATIS phone. Pretty basic elevators. These are scenic. Look at that. You can see Highland Plaza Apartments and Highland Commons condo, which they have Dove Marshall Impulse and never mind. Pretty basic Schindler 400 cab. AE, car number 2, July events. Basement and roof lockouts are both locked. Schindler 400AE with the regular HD panel. And you're getting not as good of a view, unfortunately. Here back at the first floor, ATIS phone.